Hello, I'm Georgi and today I want to talk to you about my hobbies. I love board games. This particular one was gifted to me by a client that I worked with. So the way you play this board game is with a pre-made deck of cards. Okay, so this is marketing research telling me that board games are apparently not that relatable. Really? Okay, I have another idea. I like cocktails and I love making them. And today I'm gonna teach you how to make... What? Is this too controversial? Come on. All right, I have one more idea. Hello, my name is Georgi Bachvarov. I work as a client strategist in MentorMate, and you're watching the Employee Spotlight. I know you're very eager to know what I do here at MentorMate, but I'm going to tell you a little bit about my passion for music first. Can I do that? I think I can confidently say that I've listened to every band in the world twice. You know about those guys playing 2 blocks over in their garage? I'm probably their biggest fan. I listen to so many genres of music, some of them haven't even been invented yet. Music is a form of self-expression that transcends conventional language, and it's amazing. So this all led me to start learning how to play the guitar in high school. As life got busier and busier, I kind of stopped playing, which was a shame. But then a year or so ago, one of my friends asked me, "Do you want to come play in a studio?" And I said, "Nope, I'm terrible, sorry, I can't help you." But he insisted and we went for it. It was really fun. I've had a lot more time to practice at home this year than I usually would have. And so we got a couple of more friends and now we have a band. Okay, so I've heard that this is the part where we do the metaphor of how music and my job relate to each other. But to tell you honestly, I just don't have anything for you. We can edit something in later, right? How did I start working at MentorMate? Good question. I took a short internship to gain some experience here. And that was 9 years ago. Most of my time here, I've worked as an iOS developer until I moved into solutions architecture, and my current position is client strategist. It used to be really easy to explain to people what I do, but it's become so much harder over the years, which is why I had MentorMate make this video for me. There's a lot that happens between us saying hello to a client and us beginning to write code for them. Before we begin writing code for a client, we do a proposal explaining how we're going to approach their specific project, how long it's going to take, and what the estimated budget is. Even though with small and medium-sized projects, I can quickly eyeball it and give you a good educated guess of what I think the timeline and the budget is going to be. That would not be putting our best foot forward. It takes time and effort, and I'm going to tell you what happens between when we first meet and when we deliver the proposal. We work with clients of various sizes and across multiple industry verticals, and our approach is tailored to each one of them. However, the general structure of our process can be broken down into 4 phases, and those phases are discovery, planning, estimation, and presentation. Phase 1, cue the title card. So when you first contact us, you would be greeted by one of our business development managers. Their job is to understand as much as they can about your business, your high-level goals, and then explain who we are and what we do. What would normally happen next is you would be meeting with somebody from my team, Client Strategy. My job is to find out as much as I can about where you are now and where you're trying to go. Some of our clients have a very good understanding of how they would like to get from A to B, whereas others need a little bit more help. No matter the case, we're always looking to provide guidance, and that begins with total understanding of your problem statement. And this is also the phase where we will be reviewing any documentation, codes, or anything else that you can give us. Phase 2, planning. In the planning stage is where we involve people from our design leadership team and our enterprise architecture teams. We're thinking about how we can apply our services to solve your problem. We're taking into account many different factors, such as data architecture, security, compliance, and all the different integration points. Phase 3, estimation. Once you have a good vision on how we want to approach design and technical architecture, we will begin the estimation phase. During this phase, we will be identifying the underlying capabilities and features required for your solution. We consider what type of cross-functional team structure could be applied, and we pull in experts from MentorMate to help us estimate. At this point, there is at least 10 very smart people thinking about your project. Having this many eyes on a project ensures that we've thought about all of the details and everybody's on board with the solution that we will be delivering. Phase 4. Presentation. All of this effort culminates in a formal proposal documenting the recommended approach to tackling your problem. It explains not only our approach, but also how long it will take and what it would cost to design, build, and test the specified scope. When appropriate, we would break down the solution in a phased roadmap so you can better plan and budget your development effort. Thoughtful proposals tend to contain a lot of detail, but don't worry, we'll walk through them together with you and make sure that all of your questions have been answered. Transparency and collaboration are core to MentorMate's business philosophy, and it all starts with these early, honest conversations. I hope I've managed to shed some light on who I am and what I do in the company. Working with so many talented and smart people on complicated problems for our clients is what makes my job so great. Thank you very much for watching this video, and keep an eye out for the next Employee Spotlight.